Oh, shit na pala. Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome to another videocast episode of CCS Synergy, the official podcast of AF College of Computer Studies and CCS Dragons TV YouTube channel. My name is Jeannie from Batch Technographos, and I'm with
Erin, also from Batch Technographos. This episode is very special because it is a collaboration between Batch Technographos, Batch Artisticals, and the Multimedia and Systems developers.
Yes, today we're at Hometown Angeles to catch up with our Mr. and Miss University representatives from BMA.
Yes, so without further ado, tara kape! Let's go!
So today we're sitting with the representatives of the college for Mr. and Miss University 2023 na ginanap noong December. So please introduce yourselves.
Ako po si Alessandra Isabel Ponce from College of Computer Studies, BMMA po.
I am Don Fausto from the College of Computer Studies din, BMMA 1A, yes.
Second year rin po ako.
Ayan, so thank you so much for joining us today. To kick things off, let's start with a short icebreaker called
Pageant Superlatives. So simple lang kasi both of you will be giving a superlative to the other. So for example, yung co-host ko, sabihin ko sa kanya, best smile. Diba? Ikaw, Sir Don, ano masasabi mo kay Miss Eliza?
Siya yung Miss Congeniality.
Very friendly.
Very friendly.
Ikaw naman, Miss Eliza.
Ako naman si kay Don, first year siya, so pinapanood ko talaga siya. And I think yung napansin ko sa kanya is most charismatic on stage.
Cute. Talagang makikita nyo talagang na-encapsulate niyo yung personality ng isa't isa, no?
Very cute nga, no? So, yung participants natin today, meron silang activity na gagawin while we talk to them, which is called Sketch Swap. So, Sketch Swap, they can draw anything under the sun. Magsa-start sila, tigi-isa ng drawing, and then after every question, they will swap their sketchbooks and then draw what they like. So, in the end, ipapakita natin yung results, tapos papa-explain natin sa kanila kung ano yung what they came up with and paano sila nakapunta sa ganun, kung if they got to know each other through the competition.
So, habang kausap namin si Eliza, pwedeng mag-start ng mag-drawing si Don, and then vice versa. Okay ba yan? Okay.
For our first question, for Miss Eliza, if I'm not mistaken, first time mong mag-join ng pageant?
Yes po.
So what made you take the leap and be a representative for the college?
Honestly, if I were to take that surface level, talagang tinanong lang ako ng mga kaklase ko tsaka ng teacher to do it. Tapos parang na-push lang ako. Pero honestly, parang it's something that I've always wanted to try out. Like acting, mga ganun, mga creative things. So, parang ginawa ko siyang open door, like, opportunity for me. And sabi nga ng mom ko, if God wills it, allow naman yan.
I love that. Loves it.
Okay, how about ikaw naman, Don? Is this your first time din na sumali sa pageant?
Yes.
Ano yung nag-push din sa'yo na maging representative ng CCS?
Ang pinaka nag-push talaga sa akin is, syempre, si Ma'am Joyce. Tapos yung friends ko din and family kasi isa siyang malaking opportunity and it's like a big honor to represent the college.
And we're really grateful that we had you as our representative.
I'm really
Very
grateful.
charismatic na.
Oo.
Okay na po. Pwede na kayo mag-swap.
Okay, simple lang yung sa akin.
Go lang.
Gagawin natin sa
Swap muna kayo, sige.
Tapos tutuloy.
Grabe. Sige, swap muna.
Try ko yung art style na parang continuous drawing. Hindi.
So, Miss Eliza, ano yung pinaka-surprising thing na natutunan mo joining the pageant? And yung progress ng pag-prepare for a pageant? Like, mas intense ba or less intense than you expected?
I think ako more of nag-observe talaga ako. I mean, normal talaga para sa akin mag-observe. Pero nung time ko kasi na yun, talagang di ko alam yung steps na ititake ko kasi nga first time ko. Tapos yung more of na-observe ko is intense siya sa mga tao na nandun. And less intense for me. Kasi yun nga, parang laid back lang. Parang mas chill siya than I expected. Mahirap siya, pero hindi siya as intense as na parang, kasi minsan nakita mo yung bad side nun, sa media, ganon. So, ang surprising things na lang is yung parang, yung pag-gain ko ng confidence, ganon. And yung the fact na I was able to go there in the first place. Na parang, kasi usually ako yung nanonood, ako yung nagsasupport, pero sa pageant, ako yung nasa stage, ako yung sinashow ko yung side na yun na hindi ko napapakita sa ibang tao.
It was very nice to see you shine on stage.
Yeah.
Since, di ba nga, first time mo,
Oo.
anong feeling nung nandun ka sa stage? Kasi parang, hindi ba siya daunting o
Hindi, kasi first of all, exciting siya. Kasi new experience. And yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, medyo gusto ko siyang itry. Pero madami kasing practice and preparations that are held beforehand. Madaming effort na nilalagay. Hindi lang siya keme-keme lang, you know, basta mag-post ka. Kailangan talaga i-embrace mo yung pagiging PMMA student mo and whatever representative na you are sa college.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, for you naman doon, ano yung pinaka-surprising thing na napulot mo sa process ng pag-prepare? And ayun nga, katulad ba siya ng in-expect mo? Intense ba siya? Less intense?
Actually, in-expect ko siya na magiging intense. Kasi andun yung pressure ng pag-represent ng college. Parang naging expectation ko nun agad is, sa sarili ko lang, parang, ay, siya yung, dapat ayusin, dapat makakuha siya. Parang ganun yung ina-expect ko sa sarili ko. So, may pressure talaga. Tapos, yung isa pang naging intense na part is yung practice din and yung rehearsal. Kasi, the first time ko, parang hindi ko alam ano talagang gagawin. Hindi ko alam paano maglakad, paano yung tamang posture, paano yung smile, paano yung tingin sa audience, sa judges. Parang all of those combined, parang na-expect ko na siya beforehand na ganun yung magiging yes.
But you did so well. Yung lakad niya.
At least, di ba?
Nung super standout for me, yung huling category, yung may cape ka nun, di ba?
Parang siyang scarf.
Oo.
Yung formal.
I think nakuha yung ano niya talaga doon. Yung physique niya bagay dun sa...
Parang hanger ba?
You can swap na.
Yes.
I love that. Huwag niyo mapakita mo na.
Ay, hindi mo na bababa.
Mapapakita. Miss Eliza, prior to joining the pageant, may previous experience ka ba with performing? In general.
Singing and poem writing.
Uy, I love that.
Yun. Actually, nung bata, more of this, behind the scenes. Hindi ako masyado on stage. Pero yung something that pulled me up was, yun nga, pagsulat ng poems, palagi ako nanalo sa competitions, gano'n. Kasi palagi ako na-inspire sa like life experiences and mga insights na magdadaanan ko or ng ibang tao, gano'n. Mga observations ko, gano'n. See, on the creative side, parang more of singing and writing poems.
Nung nag-talent ka, kumanta ka rin na
Singing.
guitar. Ano kasing song?
Hawak Kamay.
Bakit din yung napili mo?
Gusto ko yung song na yun, pero first, yun kasi yung one of the first songs na pinlay ko or like I learned. I think it was for a school performance. Tapos ever since, parang pinapractice ko sa kasi parang nagiging outlet ko siya ng emotions ko. Nung una, I was gonna yun nga, as a Christian, I was going to sing a worship song. Kaya lang sabi ng stylist, sabi niya, dapat kayong alam mo na. Sabi, okay, hawak kamay na lang. So, ganun lang kasi.
For you naman doon, yes.
Yes.
may ikaw din ba? May previous experience ka na sa pag-perform or public speaking?
Actually, sa pagpa-perform madami na tsaka sa public speaking. Kasi dati sa past school ko, which is Don Bosco, magpo-perform na kami doon. And naging student council din ako. So, lagi akong nakaharap sa mga tao. So, sanay na ako dun sa parang, public speaking tsaka yung pag-perform.
Anong performance yung usually ginagawa? Gitara? Makanta?
Banda kami lagi sa Bosco.
Ano ba tayo? Role?
Ako?
Anong instrument
I
yung
I was one of the guitarists. Hindi ko masabing rhythm tsaka lead kasi nagpapalit-palit kami nung isa namin kabanda.
Bongga. That's it?
That's it! Miss Eliza. Miss Eliza, paano nyo naman na-develop yung courage to compete? Kasi iba naman yung just performing, singing, or ano lang, spoken poetry. Iba pa rin yung presenting yourself talaga. Yes.
I asked advice from everyone. Kasi hindi sapat na yung sarili mo lang yung magiging anchor mo. Kasi you're only human. You have limited experiences, you have limited thoughts. like, minsan nakala natin kaya natin maging self-sufficient, which is something na is good naman. Pero hindi tayo, parang kailangan rin natin ng ibang tao. We need to be humble enough to admit that. So parang, you have to learn from other people. So, nagtatanong ako sa mom ko kung ano yung tamang decisions ko. Na I even had to convince her, like, am I gonna take the risk? I think I should take the risk. Parang ganun. Pati yung sa classmates ko, nagpaturo ako kila Patrick, gano'n. Tapos nagtanong ako sa mga nag-style sa akin, gano'n. Kinausap ko sila, kinausap ko yung mga contestants. It's more of the process that I had, the desire for learning and to grow as an individual, which is, I think, yung main advocacy ko at the time.
Love safe.
Loves it.
Love safe.
For you naman, nabanggit nga natin na medyo gamay mo na yung public speaking and yung pag-perform. Pero even then, as you mentioned then, in-expect mo pa rin na intense pa rin yung proseso ng pag-prepare. So from there, paano mo na-build yung courage nga na, yun, present yourself?
Actually, inisip ko na lang na parang sayang din kung hindi ko pupush yung sarili ko. Sayang naman yung nasimulan ko na. Parang ganun yun na lang yung iniisip ko. So, actually, nagkaroon nga ako ng point na sabi ko, ayoko na, tatamad na ako. Kasi, na-insecure din ako sa mga kalaban ko noon. Pero, sabi ko, hindi, nasimulan ko na. Dito na ako, tuloy ko na. Tsaka, isa pang naging malaking tulong is mga friends, tsaka sila ma'am. Sinusuportahan nila ako. Pinupush talaga nila ako. Kaya, hinalahan talaga ako.
Adjust na lang guys.
Talaga naman.
Loves it. Nag-stop na ba kayo po?
Hindi pa.
For you, Miss Eliza, ano yung pinaka-challenging part of joining a pageant, knowing na i-represent mo yung college natin?
I think it's choosing to enter in the first place. Kasi ako yung type na parang kapag may goal ako, gagawin ko lahat ng mangyayari yun. Although hindi ko alam yung sa results, pero yung sa sarili ko, kahit at least this far, I will be able to achieve it. Ganon. Challenging talaga yung di mo alam if ako ba yung tamang tao for this, to represent this group of people. And among all the students in the college, ganon. Do I have the confidence? Sabi nga ni Pat, parang pati yung lakad ko, di ba? You have to put confidence in it. You have to be beautiful inside and out. So, it took me time to reflect and to decide na, okay, ito-take ko na yung opportunity ito.
You put in the work naman. I personally saw, nakita ko yung, you wanted to really master the walk. Yan, yung lagi ka nakapaganto, makikita kita. Practice mo yung smile mo. Nakita ko yun sa stage. You did so well. I think you should not doubt yourself.
And yung classmates din natin, like, nung time na nagpe-prepare ka, panay din ka nung, uy, nakita niyo na si Ponce, nakita na improve niya. Alam namin na talagang pinagsikapan mo naman yan.
Thank you guys. Kailangan ko rin yan.
Don, what was the most challenging part of joining the pageant, knowing you're representing the College of Computer Studies?
Ayun nga, yung pinaka-challenging talaga is yung pressure. Parang hindi yung pressure, parang yung pag-handle ng pressure, yes. Ganun yung pinaka-challenging kasi, yun nga, dala ko yung pangalan ng college. Tapos, parang ako din, ina-expect ko yung sarili ko na makakakuha ko ng kahit anong award. For me talaga, yung pressure talaga. Tsaka, konting insecurity na lang din. Kasi nga, ang popogi ng mga kalaban ko eh. Grabe. Parang, mga sila, tapos ako...
I think ka-level mo naman.
Sabi nga ni Ms. Ponce, charismatic.
And you pull off that haircut. Oo naman.
How did you maneuver back through that big word through that yung pressure and insecurities?
Dun sa insecurities, na lang eh. Parang kinapalan ko na lang yung mukha ko, sabi ko, di naman nila ako sasama kung hindi ko naman kakainin. Parang gano'n lang eh, parang niyabangan ko na lang. Tapos yung sa pressure, ayun, parang nilipas din. Parang hangin lang yan, matatapos din. Parang gano'n lang yung iniisip ko eh.
Okay, Miss Eliza, ano yung favorite part mo sa pageant experience?
Kasi hindi ako masyado lumalabas or exposed to things na gusto ko. Kasi my parents are very strict and usually more of like academics, gano'n, like dapat you have to achieve this, you have to achieve that. And ako rin naman, parang na-instill sa akin yun as a value na kailangan kong ganyan. So, sa pageant, yung na-enjoy ko is yung makeover part. It sounds very corny, pero parang na-enjoy ko yung gumagawa ko ng nails. Parang, sabi ko, ayoko ng French tips. Tapos nung pag may French tips na ako, sabi ko, ay, ang ganda.
Slay.
Tapos parang gusto ko yung pinipindot na may sounds. Tapos na-enjoy ko yung pagsusot ng heels kahit na 6 inches sila. Tapos yung makeup, yung contacts. And overall, yung learning the way that you deliver yourself is my favorite part talaga. I got to achieve one of my childhood dreams. Even if it's a small way. Hey guys, huwag kayo.
That's for you. Yes. For you naman, Mr. Don, ano ang favorite part mo sa pagsali sa pageant na to?
Ang naging favorite part ko is madami akong naging new friends. Mga solid na tropa na kahit tapos na yung pageant. Pag nagkikita kami sa campus, parang, uy, musta, men? Parang tropa-tropa rin talaga. Nandun pa din yung brotherhood na na-establish namin nung rehearsals, nung practice. Parang may banding talaga. Solid yung
Yung next question naman po for you, paano mo nagamit yung mga natutunan mo as a BMMA student to excel sa pageant?
Yung isa yung time management. Kasi as a student, parang nandun yung oras na yung kailangan gating deadlines, ganyan. Yung parang the way you manage your time. Kasi parang sa talent portion, 3 minutes lang binibigay sa amin. So parang not only do we put it in the right time, na-add rin namin yung creativity namin doon, the way that pipili namin yung dresses, the way that we have to socialize with others. Parang it all helped us on both sides, parang gano'n.
For you naman, Don, what aspects of being a BMMA student helped you doon sa pag-prepare para sa pageant?
I worked well under pressure. Kasi, di ba, tayo, mga artist, dapat masanay tayo dyan sa mga pressure na parang isipin nila basic lang eh. Kinondisyon ko na agad. Parang nakondisyon na ako agad beforehand pa. Kasi nga, slight lang naman. Pero yun.
Before we ask the final question, pencils down na po tayo.
Wow.
Pencils down.
Marker.
Marker pala. Ulit. Before we ask the final question, nahiya siya. Markers down po tayo. Markers. Love that. I love that.
Okay, last question po para sa ating participants. Regardless of the outcome ng pageant, anong bagay yung parang doon kayo naging proud?
Proud ako doon.
Can you elaborate?
Kasi parang first time niya, tapos parang nakita ko yung kahit minsan pilit, tinatry pa rin niya.
The drive.
Yeah, meron siyang drive, meron siyang potential. Kinuha niya yung opportunity. Tapos, nung una ko siya nga in-approach, parang nag-oo siya kagad. Di ko alam kung dahil ba sa incentive o hindi. Pero, at least kinuha niya. Kasi kung ibang tao, hindi ako marunong yan. Parang gano'n. Parang di ko alam kung ano yung naging desire niya. Ako rin di ko alam ano naging desire ko. Pero somehow, naging destiny namin yung pag-take ng pageant. Kahit na hindi kami nananalo. Kasi nakapag-grow rin kami as individuals. Do you agree?
Yes.
O yan.
Ayun, syempre, proud din ako sa'yo. Proud din ako sa sarili. Yes, of course.
That's it?
That's it. Perfect. Is there anything you learned in the competition na magiging valuable sa inyo along the way as a BMMA student?
Yung experience na hindi ko mabibili. Not only in the creative side, pero kasi being an art student, you're gonna be busy with so many things na you won't be able to be on stage anymore. You won't be able to have that social life that yung nagpo-photography kayo na ikaw yung actor. Oo. Being an artist, you have to sacrifice for your passion and be the one behind the scenes. Pero both positions are as important as the other. So, yun.
There are two things.
Two things.
Yun nga, yung how to work under pressure, how to handle pressure. Tsaka yung time management talaga. Parang as a student, tsaka along the way hanggang pag trabaho na time management talaga yung talagang solid na kailangan. Kasi oras yan, di naman nabibili yun eh.
Tapos yung kapag sa preparations, di ba, yung parang dapat on time ka kasi hindi mamimiss mo, ay hindi ako nakapag-nails. Pangit yung nails ko sa pageant mismo. Ay hindi ako nakapag-fit ng dress, baka maluwang sa pageant. So kailangan talaga on schedule ka. Hindi pwedeng Filipino time.
Prepared dapat.
Prepared ka dapat.
And it showed. Again, it showed. Loves it.
Loves it. Ayan, so thank you for sharing bits of your pageant experience with us. So, check na natin yung results ng sketch swap.
Okay,
Ayun
Mr.
sa
Don.
akin.
Okay.
Eto.
Jajan!
Napakalupit, di ba? Nagsimula ako sa mata kasi mata yung unang parang mapapansin mo kaya lang pag tinignan mo yung face niya eh. Tapos, the shape, face shape, yes, napakalambing, di ba?
Kinilig.
Soft lang, gano'n. Tapos ayun, short hair, yes.
Yes.
Yun.
Loves it.
Loves it. Super loves it.
Ako na ba?
Yes, Miss Eliza. Uy, okay.
Yes.
Hindi ako yan.
Napapansin ko talaga doon yung mukha niya eh. Magaling talaga siya i-show yung sarili niya. So parang gusto ko talaga i-encapsulate na maayos. Ayoko siyang distort. Distort.
Ano yung flowers sa sa gilid?
Parang feeling ko ang bubbly ng personality niya on the inside. Kahit na sa labas medyo mataray siya ganun. Especially on like, pag di mo siya kalala, parang ang cold naman na ito, ganun. Kaya siguro naglagay siya ng ganito kasi parang cool, ganun. Pero para sa akin, parang
Black is my favorite color, yeah.
naka-black pa siya, oh. Pero sa totoo lang, parang, tawa siya ng tawa, friendly siya sa ibang tao, nakikita niya yung mga bagay na sweet at maganda at mga ganun.
Why do you think you work so well together?
Parang similar yung personalities namin eh. Parang
In a way na.
Yung parang pares kaming may
Go with the flow lang.
expectations na, yung parang alam na namin yung mga tapos pares kaming pinilit.
Ma'am Joyce?
Cut.
Pa-edit.
Exception sa long quiz.
Pero pares kaming go with the flow, pares kaming laid back.
Loves it.
Loves it.
Word of the day, encapsulate.
Absolutely.
Okay, to pick up the pace and wrap things up in a fun way, ang aking co-host, magpa-fast talk po siya with our participants. So yung questions natin, pageant related and BMA related. So let's go CZ.
Okay.
Start with Mr. Don.
Okay,
Okay.
Don.
Game.
Don na. Photography or videography?
Photography.
Barong or tuxedo?
Tuxedo.
Photoshop or Illustrator?
Photoshop.
Sneakers or loafers?
Sneakers.
Graphic design or animation?
Graphic design.
Next track, graphic design.
Ako na isa. Ay, isa pang similarity namin.
Okay, let's go, Ponce. Traditional art or digital art?
Traditional art.
Casual wear or long gown?
Long gown.
Sans serif or serif?
Serif.
Flats or heels?
Heels.
Graphic design or animation?
Graphic design.
Secured to.
Mga tamad mag-drawing.
8 na lang. 8 na lang.
Late na lang. So if you want
Kailangan namin ng sampo.
alam na ang final question natin, would you consider participating in another pageant? And may advice ba kayo for first-timers?
The first one is unforgettable. Medyo mixed side naman ako kung I'll join the second one. Siyempre, if the opportunity comes talaga in the right time, I will take it.
Ako, nasa gitna pa eh. Parang ganun pa.
Ako rin.
Kasi lalo na ngayon, busy ako, may work pa ako. Nag-aaral ako. Tapos ang advice ko sa mga magpa-pageant is ang malupitang mental preparation. Kumbaga, huwag kayong mag-focus sa physique niyo eh, sa looks. Ano talaga kayo, parang i-prepare niyo yung utak niyo na dapat mayabang ako pagdating ng dapat ganun yung isipin niyo. Huwag niyo isipin kung pogi ba ako. Isipin niyo kung mayabang ba yung dating ko pag nag-pageant. Yun din yung sabi ko, yun din yung sabi nung parang yung stylist ko.
Oo. Actually, yung ironic nun, kasi nung nag-join ako ng pageant, kasi alam ko naman magkaka-expectations na gano'n. Pero yung akala ko is, yung parang nagpaka-humble ako dahil doon, yung parang hindi ako napansin. So, dapat talaga magkaroon ka ng, parang take it professionally, take it seriously. It's also, if you want to pursue it talaga, you have to take the steps properly.
Ayan, so thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you,
us in
Ben.
today's very special episode. Meron ba kayong final remarks bago natin i-wrap up tong
final remarks ko, magkape kayo dito sa hometown. Napakasarap.
Tama.
Yes.
And
Sarap.
also, join our podcasts and our videos and also enroll sa CCS. Thank you. And BMMA.
Yes.
Of course, BMA, graphic design or animation. Again, thank you so much po, Ms. Eliza and Mr. Don, for taking the time to chat with us and sharing your experience sa ating pageant. And this has been your host, Jeannie.
And Erin, don't forget to subscribe to the official AFCCS YouTube channel and follow nyo rin yung podcast sa Spotify.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yes.